Hey, how are ya? My name is Tadashi, mortgage agent in Toronto, and we're talking about buying your first home from a mortgage perspective. In this video, we're talking about debt, one of the four factors that's going to impact your qualification and affordability. During the mortgage process, your debt plays a large role as it impacts how much you can afford to borrow. The more debt you have, the lower your affordability. Without going into too much detail, we're going to quickly go over how it's considered during the mortgage process, mention some common debts, and then finish off with a point to consider. Let's get into it. During your qualification, the lender will assess the impact of your debts using tools like the stress test and your debt service ratios. Now, these are technical terms, but basically, with the stress test, you're qualified at a higher interest rate than the one in the mortgage you're looking to get. And your debt service ratios shows lenders how the debts will burden your income if you took on the mortgage. Now, these tools are important as they're meant to protect you. Their role is to ensure that you can handle the mortgage payments if rates go up in the future, as well as reduce the chance of your finances being overburdened by the additional debt. Moving on, not all debts are included in your qualification. For example, phone bills, subscriptions, and insurance payments aren't typically included. However, credit accounts, loans, and legal debts are, and you'll need to provide documents to verify those amounts. For example, you'll need account statements to confirm your credit and loan accounts, and legal agreements to confirm your court obligations. Not only that, but if you've co-signed for anything, you'll also need to provide documents that verify the balances and payments for those as well. This is because lenders want to make sure that you can handle those additional payments if you had to take on that role in the future. To finish off, if you're getting close to going through the mortgage process but have some noticeable debt, consider working with a financial planner or advisor to help you create a plan to bring it down. Every little chunk that you can take off before going through the mortgage process increases the chance of qualifying for a higher loan. Alright, so that's a quick look into debt. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or if you'd like to have a deeper discussion regarding your situation, feel free to reach out using the contact info in the description. Take care.